Understanding Lionize. Enhance your vocabulary today. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The word lionize. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply a lover of the English language, this video is for you. We're going to break down the meaning, usage, and origin of this word to help you understand and use it confidently. So, let's get started. Lionize is a verb, and it means to treat someone as if they are very important or special, often to an excessive degree. When you lionize someone, you give them a lot of attention, admiration, and usually treat them with a high degree of respect or reverence. For example, if a celebrity visits a small town, the locals might lionize them, giving them a grand welcome and paying a lot of attention to them. Let's see how lionize works in sentences. 1. After his novel won the prestigious award, the author was lionized by the literary community. 2. In this sentence, the author is being given special attention and respect by the literary community because of his achievement. 3. The media lionized the young activist for her courageous work in environmental protection. 4. Here, the young activist is receiving a lot of positive attention and admiration from the media. Using lionize in sentences helps to convey a sense of excessive admiration or attention given to a person. The word lionize has a quite interesting origin. It dates back to the early 19th century, derived from the idea of making someone a lion in society, which was a term used to refer to someone of great interest or importance. The idea was that these individuals were as interesting and worthy of attention as lions would be. Lionize is a word you might use when discussing celebrities, heroes, or anyone who is receiving a lot of public attention and admiration. It is important to note that while lionize can have a positive connotation, it can also imply that the admiration might be excessive or uncritical. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the word lionize. We hope that this video has helped clarify the meaning, usage, and origin of this word for you. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a great way to enhance your communication skills. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, happy learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.